everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make baked chicken with crispy potato flakes. When I was small, my mom used to make this dish. I remember I requested for this dish for many times, so I decided to make it for kids and they really loved it, especially the crispy potato flakes on top with mayonnaise. That was my favorite as well. The recipe is very easy, kids can help. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut the chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces. Season very lightly with salt and pepper because you're going to put a lot of mayonnaise on top later. Use butter or olive oil to coat the dish because they are fragrant. Cover the bottom of the dish with some potato flakes. Place the chicken. Put some mayonnaise. I'm obviously using Kewpie mayonnaise. Then put the rest of the potato flakes on top. Cover the chicken completely with potato flakes. It's very good in this way. Bake in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes until crisp golden brown. Sprinkle with parsley flakes to finish. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.そう、じゃがいもとチキンです。
ごちそうました。おいしい？パパ。
うん、美味しいよ。
マヨネーズあった。
そうだね、ママも小さい時マヨネーズのとこだけ食べてた。今思うと結構辛いけどね、マヨネーズのとこだけ食べる。マヨネーズが濃縮しちゃってるからもう。
バイバイ。バイバイ。